you take my level 3 workshop if you've never done a level 1 and 2? No, but you're in luck because you don't have to wait. I've had many people who see my level 3, they want to do inner child, they want to do parts work, they want to do ancestral healing, but they don't have the level 1 and 2 foundations. You don't have to wait till the next live training. You can sign up for my level 1 and 2 self-study right now. So I just let it, and all of those recordings are beautifully organized in a student portal for you by issue, pain point, technique. So you can see right how to tap on nervous system regulation, how to tap on anxiety, grief, how to tap on a limiting belief that's holding back, how to tap into manifestation and release the resistance to ease and flow, how to tap on cravings, how to tap on a pain and the root cause of pain, how to tap on trauma. Go get that self-study right now. You can begin watching it right now, and you have lifetime access to watch it, which might not be a perk that lasts. So if you know what you want to take my level 3, you've never taken level 1 and 2, sign up for the self-study. You have lifetime access to watch it. Come to my level 3. And that way, when I'm referencing level 1 and 2 techniques, you know you've got it in your back pocket to watch for life.